It should be outlined that in those years, Su-17 fighter bomber was not the only one in its class. When Brezhnev came to power in 1964, the military budget became to swell. Money for the new aircraft could be obtained with no difficulties. That's why, together with a large-scale program of the Su-17 family modernization, there appeared a possibility to build MiG-27, another aircraft of similar designation. To a greater extent, both aircraft were no competitors. Appearance of the two aircraft was no accident. They were required long ago. Experience was gained, quantity demanded transition to a new quality. Deficiencies of the striking aircraft of the first generation and the way toward improvement was clear. Air-to-surface missiles reduced their weight and bulkiness, and could now be well suspended on light fighter bombers. Just like the types of armament, the concepts of the striking aircraft application in those years changed impetuously. When MiG-27 production was just started, the dominating application was to approach the target at high speed, hit it in one pass, and withdraw from attack. The minimum stay in the target zone significantly reduced the risk of destruction. The speed provided viability. Later, the high-speed attack concept gave way to another idea. The speed was slightly victimized in favor of weapons precision. Just like Su-17, MiG-27 was not made from scratch, but on the basis of a preceding aircraft. At that time, MiG-23 was being developed in the Mikoyan Design Bureau. The striking aircraft was assumed to be made on its basis. Since number one requirement was visibility, the Mikoyans went for a serious plastic surgery. Thus, MiG-23B appeared. The striking version aircraft acquired a duck nose. Such form could not hold a radar, but the aircraft of such a designation did not need it. Instead, a compact missile guiding set was placed there. To keep the center of gravity position, the weight of the detached radar was compensated by armored shields placed on both sides of the cabin. Further modification of the aircraft was mainly done with the account of its application. Air intakes were optimized to work in a subsonic mode. Instead of a fighter cannon, there was a 6-barrel cylinder type cannon. The weapon load was increased from 3 to 4 tons. Such aircraft was already called MiG-27. In 1974, this aircraft was first taken into the sky by test pilot Valery Minitsky. This aircraft had a lot of new technical solutions, thanks to which the most complicated combat tasks could be performed in the entire range of altitudes, including critical low altitudes and supersonic speed. It was a good and required aircraft. It was nicknamed Balcony for the perfect visibility. Indeed, the pilot did not see the nose of the aircraft. Instead, the battlefield was clearly visible. The powerful 6-barrel cannon deserves a separate attention. There was even a concern that the recoil may stop the aircraft in the air. This, of course, did not happen. However, at first, the cannon used to impact not only the target, but the aircraft itself. Shooting produced gas dynamic disturbance that troubled the engine. The aircraft equipment and suspended weapons suffered from vibration. The aircraft was significantly modernized when it was equipped with the Kyra laser aiming system. Such modification turned out to be very expensive, but this aspect did not bother the militaries much. The aircraft could now perform with high precision in any weather, day and night. Kyra allowed to detect targets at greater distance than before, without entering the enemy's air defense area. Besides, this gave not only a passive chance to escape means of air defense, but actively attack them. The aircraft's arsenal included HOT-27 missiles aimed at destroying enemy's radars. MiG-27 was also equipped with heavy HOT-29 missiles, which were used to destroy concrete runways and reinforced structures. The first reaction toward improved MiG-27 in the wings was normal: abruption. Examination and mastering of a new highly intellectual equipment was a hard labor. Mikoyan experts helping Air Force detachments to introduce the new aircraft almost burst into tears at seeing how technicians dealt with the high-precision equipment. Was there any use making such high-precision systems? However, the aircraft was soon appreciated for its capabilities. The combat efficiency, as compared to the first modifications, was more than twice higher. Pilots wondered why the aircraft was not renamed, since it was so different. Many countries purchased MiG-27. The major importer was India. It did not only buy, but arranged licensed production of the aircraft, which was issued under the name of Bahadur, the Brave. With continuous upgrade, MiG-27 has been still serving in the Air Force of India. The requirement for such an aircraft is dictated by stable instability in the state of Kashmir, a long-lasting reason of dispute with the neighboring Pakistan. Although MiG-27 fighter bomber was not specifically made to reach the target at low altitudes, such drills took place. And if the breakthrough was massive, it was successful as a rule.